Yes! Happy days! You call it lockdown? I say happy home days because I can use natural things to exercise at home and get stronger. I don't need to go to gym. I'm using this stone to do my chin-ups. Now you will say, Prabal, it's COVID-19 and I am under lockdown. In India, we got lockdown. Now, this is the message for all my clients and my friends who are enjoying happy home days in India. Do we have to say it's lockdown? Can't we say these are happy home days? Can't we turn adversity into opportunity? Can't we think that, wow, this is the time to take action and do some bodyweight exercises at home? Fine, I don't have kettlebell, dumbbell, barbell or sandbag or any bell. How does it matter? I've got stone at home, I've got my child, I can lift my child and do squats, I can do lunges, I can lift my wife or husband and do some bodyweight exercises. Just like this. How cool is that? Is it an excuse for not exercising? Why not take advantage that these are happy home days? Doesn't matter, viruses will keep coming and going. These lockdowns which you call, to me, these are happy home days, will keep coming. This is just the beginning of a new era. We don't know what all changes will be happening in future. So why not turn your home into the gym? Watch my other videos on YouTube channel where you will come to know how you can turn your home into a gym. So when you are having happy home days, you don't need to worry because you are a fit man or a fit woman or fit girl or a fit guy or a fit baby. You inspire the whole family to work out with you. You can stand in front of TV, start dancing, play the music. There are a variety of ways. You don't need to do those exercises which you don't like doing. But to burn calories, you can dance, you can go upstairs and come down. There are a variety of ways. Irrespective of whether it's cold or hot or it's raining, still you can exercise. When it's raining, why not think, wow, free water falling down. Let's hit the gym. Let's start working out. Rather than having those deep fried items with a cup of tea or coffee or taking a couple of drinks, sitting on the couch watching TV, which you can do once in a week, but rest of the 6 days, why not work out during those days? When people say it's hot, wow, sun is giving us more vitamin, it's shining, we are perspiring, impurities are coming out of our skin in the form of sweat. Isn't it great that it's hot, 40 to 45 degree temperature? Wow, what a blessing. Sun, you are great. Keep pouring vitamin D. When it's cold, why do we crib about it? It's so cold, I can't exercise. Wow, this is an opportunity to keep our body warm. Get into the bed and have intimate physical fun. You get warmed up, you lose calories. Why not start exercising? Because when it's cold, your body has to get to warm up level. You need to burn more calories, you need to put in more effort. Why don't we take these things in a positive manner? Why don't we take when it's raining heavily, it's cold, it's hot, why don't we take it in a positive way? It's all about emotions, it's all about thoughts, it's all about your self-talk. What's going on in this machine? The brain, beautiful brain God has given us. Now you can wire it in a negative way or you can turn things around, think positively and enjoy your happy home days. How cool is that? If you like to know more ways of working out at home during happy home days, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like, and remember to press that bell icon so that you get regular notifications on how to stay fit at home during happy home days. Do watch my other videos which I have posted over there, and in future also I'll be coming up with a lot of videos where you will come to know how to face the challenges, day-to-day challenges in life by exercising, by controlling your emotions, how to manage stress, how to manage your emotions. You can never control stress or emotions, but you can learn how to control, change the physiology of your body by exercising or by dancing. Come on, buddy, you can do that. The moment you pump in happy drugs into your brain, your happy drugs start pumping in, you start changing your emotions. Your physiology changes. Either you change your physiology, emotions will change, or vice versa. How cool is that to enjoy happy home days for the rest of the days as long as you are at home? No crap, Prabal's hack.